Girl BeautywithMika. So yes, your girl does have another handbag haul, but I honestly think I'm done, you guys. I got rid of a lot of handbags, as you guys know. If you're not following me on like Poshmark, Mercari, I sold maybe 1 or 2 more handbags that I was just like, I'm not going to use those. But there were some handbags. This one was a steal, so I'm going to show you guys the first one that was a steal. While I was in Las Vegas, you guys know I usually buy all my luxury handbags when I'm in Vegas. My Louis Vuittons primarily I get out of Vegas because their inventory is so good. And this time around, I was just like, I don't want another Louis. As you guys know from my recent haul last summer, I did purchase 2 Louis Vuitton pieces last July, and I was just like, no, I'm good. But I did go into the Tory Burch store. Now let me tell you guys, this bag has been on my wish list for about 3 or 4 years, and I could not find it anywhere. It was sold out on the Tory Burch website, sold out on Nordstrom's. I walked in store with London and just browsing through and had to stop. So here's the bag that it came in. And this bag is originally $495, so $500. And I went in store, stopped, and I seen 20% off. I immediately tried it on. London, you guys know London is like a mini me. London was like, that's cute. That's cute, mommy. Yeah, get that. Because London's eyes is basically she gonna use it later. So I did go ahead and they completely wrapped it up. Hubs was not with me at the time. I called him and told him what I seen, and he was like, get it. So I'm gonna put everything down on the floor. I do like the bag that it came in, so I always keep my Tory Burch bags. Immediately I asked if they could pull another one from the store. So here is the bag. Now this bag is retail for $498. This is the Fleming convertible shoulder bag. It's in black. It does come in another color, I believe, and I immediately fell in love with this bag. It does not have any feet at the bottom, but this reminds me of a Chanel bag, honestly. So I'm gonna scoot back so you guys can see it, and I will include mod shots right here. This is what the back looks like. It has a magnetic flap closure right there, which you guys can see. I love that the T is just enough on the bag. I love the gold chain on here. So when you open it, you pull it out like this and close it, and there you go. And I love this part of the chain, so you can take this off if you want to. The little tassel, you can take it off or put it on. And so cute. When I tell you guys this has been on my wish list, Hubs was just like, yeah, go ahead and get it. Now you can use this as a shoulder bag or a crossbody, so I will show you guys. But girl, this was a steal. Like, I was like 20% off. This bag ain't never been on sale, so I had to go ahead and get it. So yeah, that bag was like a must-have. Like, it was a must-have. All right, so the other bag that was gifted to me, now Fleming, you know me. This one, Hubs actually looked out for. My husband has been doing really good as far as like really listening and seeing the things that I want, and then he'll just go and splurge, even though I'll be like, I didn't need that bag, or I didn't need that, but I'm grateful, forever grateful for him for that. So this bag he picked up from the Coach site, and this is the Coach signature fold tote. I have been looking at videos, and out of all the colors, because I did not have this color, this one stood out the most to me. I love the red and I love the burgundy. I do not have a bag like this, and to be honest, let me tell you guys a trick that I do with my bags. We actually buy clear Scotch Guard. You can get it at Walmart or anything. I'll post the one that we use down below. I do it on all my canvas bags, and what Hubs will do is do 2 coats of like Scotch Guard on the canvas areas of the bag. So when I wear them out, people are always like, your bags are like, how long you had this? And I'm like, a year or 2 years. They're like, it's not even dirty. Well, that's because of the Scotch Guard. So the Scotch Guard, you know, it's a repellent. Nothing hits on it. So I'm able to take my bags out in rain, sleet, or snow and not be mad at it. It doesn't mess up the leather, nothing. If I have any issues, I can still take them into the store because it's a clear Scotch Guard coating. I do like with this bag. Oh, I forgot, you guys. He actually got me the matching wallet to go with it. So I got the matching wallet to go with it. And this is what it looks like. I'm not sure when am I going to use this bag, but it's in my collection. And I always make sure that with all my handbags, for the price that you pay for them, I always ask for a dust bag. Because immediately I just take them out, whatever packaging is, and put them immediately in the dust bag. So this is what it looks like. And I'll do mod shots again so you guys can see it. Has lots of room. It has a velvet interior. It has a zipper right here. So it has one zipper right here. I didn't take off any of the plastic or anything for you guys. And that's pretty much it. It does have the crossbody, which I'll take off and I'll show you guys. But yeah, that is it. Short, sweet, simple. I love these two. I don't know when I'll purchase any more bags, to be honest with you guys. If I do, you guys will know. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. All my social media links will be down below if you're interested. This eye look, this face look, everything, you guys, by the time you guys see this, you guys will see the review on this foundation that I am currently wearing. Shout out to you guys. Thank you guys for all the birthday wishes. Thank you guys for well wishing the twins their 5th birthday. Thank you guys just so much for always like supporting, commenting, liking every time I post a video. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a blessed holiday, a blessed summer. I'll talk to you guys soon. Stay blessed.